Hello everybody, what's going on? So today we are diving into something really fresh. CEO Lee Bin's internal address to the entire new team that just leaked on Weibo yesterday. This isn't some polished investor presentation. This is straight from the CEO to his troops, and it is packed with numbers and confidence that Wall Street needs to hear. We are going to break down all six key highlights, translates what they really mean for the business, and spoiler alert. By the end of this update, I'm going to tell you exactly why I'm more bullish on new stock right now than I have been in last 18 months. First up, Q1 performance steady improvement. Neo delivered 83,465 vehicles in the first quarter. That's a massive 98.3% year over year jump. Let me say that again, almost double the deliveries from the same period last year. Revenue growth was described as significant expenses were tightly controlled, and the entire company has adopted a two operational mindset. That's code for we are running this like a disciplined business, not just a hype machine. For investors, this is exactly what we have been waiting for, proof that Neo can scale deliveries while keeping cost in check. The stock has been punished for years on fear of cash burn. This internal memo says those fears are fading fast. Second thing which he talked about is Q2 outlook. The whole industry is facing downward pressure. We all know about price wars, subsidy charges, and macro headwinds in China. But here's the bullish part. New is launching two strategic new models, the ES9 and the L80, and they are pairing that with strong performance from their high margin flagship. Management expects this combo to drive a steady increase in delivery volume through the quarter. Translation, even in a tough market. Neo has product momentum that the competition can't match right now. When a CEO acknowledges pressure but immediately points to concrete catalyst, that's the kind of leadership that move the share price higher. Now let's talk about the sub-brand that's about to reshape the mass premium segment Onvo. They are launching three models simultaneously, the updated L90 and the L60, plus the all-new L80, which is especially exciting. It's pioneer a brand new dual cabin large five-seater category. That's not just marketing speaks, it's a completely fresh take on the large SUV that no one else owned yet. Lieben says this lineup is positioned to redefine the competitive landscape of large five-seater SUV market. When your CEO use words like reshape the market and pioneer a category, you know they are not playing small. Onvo was always meant to be Neo's volume engine while the main brands stay ultra premium. This triple launch show they are delivering on that strategy on time and with firepower. Point fifth, which he discussed about, is refined operation, strict cost control, and efficiency gains. They are laser focused on precious production scheduling and flawless delivery execution for every specific model. They are managing cost aggressively, especially with rising raw material prices, and they are determined to hit every quarterly operational target with high quality. This is unsexy but critical stuff that separates the winners from the cash burning losers. In this EV space, Neo is proving they can grow fast and get more efficient at the same time. That combination is pure margin rocket fuel. Final and sixth point, and this one might be the most important for long term bulls, dual engine growth, non vehicle business, and AI R&D. Libin flat out says that our non vehicle business has emerged as a critical pillar of profitability. They are also accelerating AI integration across every part of the company and strengthening their component business unit, CBU. In other words, Neo isn't just an EV maker anymore. They are building a tech ecosystem that generates high margin recurring revenue. So there you have it, straight from Lieben's own mouth to the team. Record Q1 deliveries, explosive new model momentum, category defining launches at Onvo, ironclad cost discipline, and a second profitability engine that already firing on all cylinders. Yes, the industry is competitive. Yes, there will be bumps, but the internal memo shows a company that is executing at highest level, gaining new customers, expanding margins, and building multiple growth engines at once. For me, the risk reward on the new stock has never looked better. If they continue delivering on even half of what in this address, we are looking at a major re rating in months ahead. So prepare now.